my name is Angie and I live in Petaluma, California. I chose Green Bay Remodeling because their customer service level was excellent. From Heather, who answered the phone and answered all of my initial questions, to Danny, the project manager, who came out and met with me personally. They were thorough, they were honest, the reviews for them were fantastic. I had a friend who had used them. I really thought this would be a great company for me. Well, here we are, 6 weeks later, 2 bathrooms completed. While they were here doing that, I enjoyed the process so much that I actually had them put in recessed lighting, and it looks fabulous. It was definitely a good choice. The customer service continued from beginning to middle to end. The guys that were here day in and day out doing all the work were very pleasant, humorous, and kept the place clean and tidy for me. I really appreciate and value everything that I have experienced with Green Bay Remodeling. The project manager that was assigned to me was Danny Lebowski. I really appreciate the time and the effort that he spent, even on his off hours, addressing some of my questions and concerns, as well as all of the assistance he gave me in helping pick out all of my new fixtures for both of my bathrooms. I would highly recommend Green Bay Remodeling for any project you have in your house. I'm looking forward to bringing them back and having them do my kitchen.